I'm Lisa Laughery, and I'm the Special Projects Manager for Scobee Powerline. At first, when we got Fleetio, I was a little intimidated. This is a lot of new software. I'm learning as I go here. And it was so simple. Fleetio has helped me become kind of a maintenance pro because I'm able to see everything that they're doing. When I got here, it was archaic. The fleet management process was basically a desktop software. We looked at Verizon, which was a top competitor, but it just didn't have all the bells and whistles that Fleetio had. And they didn't have the customization that Fleetio has, not just standard out-of-the-box features. They used to bring in paper work orders to me, and I would enter the work orders into the system. All of our documents were stored in a 3-ring binder, huge binder. Now they do it right in the field because they have that ability to move where the vehicle is. I don't have to do work orders anymore. That's what my maintenance team is for, and that's what they're doing.
My name is John Blades, and I'm the shop foreman for Scobee Powerline Construction. It makes my job easier because everything is documented. I rely on Fleetio reminders so I can schedule units to be brought to the shop and get the service done. The hours, the miles, when the service is due, what services have been done.
Our maintenance team is spread between 2 shops. Fleetio helps a lot. We can just jump on and see if somebody else is in the middle of a job and then where I need to take over or what's left to get it completed. Being new here at Scobee, these vehicles have been around longer than I have, so I can always use Fleetio to go in and check history of what's been done in the past.
The onboarding process is kind of a funny story because I thought that I needed to do just about everything to get going. By the time the training started, they were like, you've already done a lot of our work here, so what can we do to make it easier for you? And they really honed in on how I could use the system to save time and money and, my life, basically. No, we do not have a training class on Fleetio because Fleetio is so easy. When our new guys come in, I tell them how to get the application on their phone, and I say, go look at it. If you need help, let me know. And also our guys in the field can show you. Fleetio is great for customization. We have so many fields that we've just inputted. 1, because our guys needed to have specific information for vehicles. 2, we use it for human resources. We have our birthdays, anniversaries, 401k enrollment, anything that we need to be reminded of, we're creating fields in Fleetio to make sure that we get that data. We love the fact that we can use Fleetio to make our vehicles safe. With our business, you never know when you're going to be gone or when something's going to happen.
So at a drop of a hat, we could get called on a storm, whether it's a tornado, ice storm, hurricane. We may have 10 minutes notice to pack up and go. We'll pull up Fleetio, instantly I can tell which units are ready to go and which ones are close to service.
We can see how much money we're spending on vehicles. We can see how much time we have before a vehicle's about ready to die. We need that because of the kind of business we are. I would be lost without Fleetio. I'm just being honest. It's our lifeblood right now. It really is.